Now, I ain't one to gossip, but I will bring you the tea. Welcome to Chronicles Speak. So Bill Cosby stood trial this month and was the first big celebrity to have a trial in the Me Too era. Now, as you all remember, Cosby was tried last year and the trial ended in a hung jury. Now, this year he was tried again in the retrial, and it started with the prosecution releasing some information that hadn't been previously revealed, and that was that Cosby paid Andrea Constand, one of his accusers, $3.4 million in the 2006 civil settlement. Now, Constand stated that she was a Temple University basketball employee, and she visited Bill Cosby's home in Philadelphia to ask for career advice in January of 2004. Now, she stated that she was stressed out, and he offered her 3 pills to calm her. She took the pills, and she stated that she woke up to Cosby fondling her, and things went down from there, allegedly. But after more than a year of sleepless nights, she said that she then went to the police and told them that Cosby had assaulted her. Now, the prosecution at the time did not want to go against Bill Cosby, so she then sued him in civil court, and the two reached a settlement in 2006 for $3.38 million. Now, Cosby still did not admit to any wrongdoings in the case. Now, someone in the comment section, please put me up on game because I'm not that clear on law, but I automatically thought that once you pay somebody off, whether you admit to the wrongdoing or not, isn't there some type of gag order that's put in place to where they can't take you to court again? Y'all tell me about that down below. Now, after all of this, things went quiet for a little while. Andrea went on about her life living in Canada, and Cosby went on about his. That was up until 2014 when Hannibal Buress did a comedy routine contrasting Cosby's moral stances with the allegations brought against him. Now, he told the audience to Google Bill Cosby rape. That video stand-up went viral.
It's upsetting. If you didn't know about it, trust me. If you leave here, Google Bill Cosby rape. It's not funny. This shit has more results than Hannibal Buress.
Now, 50 women came forward telling their stories about Bill Cosby, and he stood on the fact that he was innocent, and any sex that he had with these women were consensual. Well, all of these women coming forward made the Montgomery County prosecution reopen their file in December of 2015, just a month before Andrea Constand's statute of limitations were set to expire. So that's the reason why you don't really see other women going at him the way she is, because hers was more recent than theirs. Now, again, the first trial ended up in a hung jury because 2 jurors refused to convict Bill Cosby. Now, with the second trial, what the defense wanted to do is paint Ms. Constand as someone that was just after Bill Cosby's money.
Constand made up these fantastical stories in order to get rich.
Now, the crazy part about it, she must have been drugged months after it happened because she was still making calls to Bill Cosby, and they had proof of that.
Defense attorneys on Wednesday seized on phone records showing Constand continued to call Cosby after the alleged assault.
Well, the defense didn't stop there. They brought Marguerite Jackson to the stand to testify that Constand, a former Temple University colleague, friend, and roommate, once spoke of framing a high-profile person so she could file a civil lawsuit and make money. Marguerite said that Constand once mentioned a plot on February 1st, 2004, while they were rooming together on a road trip to Rhode Island with the basketball team at Temple University. She said Constand stated, "I could say it happened, get that money, quit my job, I could go back to school, I could open up a business." Even after all of that, Bill Cosby was found guilty on 3 counts of aggravated indecent assault of Andrea Constand for penetration, however slight. Count 1 is without her consent, count 2 was while she was unconscious or unaware, and count 3 was while she was intoxicated or drugged. Now, each count is a $25,000 fine and 10 years in prison, but he can serve those years consecutively. Now, the prosecution wanted to lock him up immediately, saying that he was possibly a flight risk and he had his own plane. Bill Cosby shouted out, "He doesn't have a plane, you asshole." Now, what type of flight risk this man possesses, I don't know, but he's legally blind, honey. He can only see. Barely. Now, obviously, the judge agrees because they sent him home and they took his passport. Now, he doesn't have a sentencing date yet, but his attorney does plan to appeal.
Mr. Cosby's guilty of anything, and the fight is not over.
Well, in the meantime, in between time, what I need you guys to do is leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this Bill Cosby verdict. I'm not too shocked about the verdict, but I am waiting to see what this sentencing is going to be. I do think that can actually shock me. But you guys leave a comment. Let's talk about it down below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.